In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use OneNote. We'll start from a blank slate and end with a neatly organized notebook that syncs across your devices so you can capture ideas anywhere. First, open OneNote on the web and sign in. On the home page, choose Create New Notebook. Think of notebooks as your biggest buckets, like personal, work, or school. Name this notebook to match a major category you'll use often. By default, it saves to your Microsoft OneDrive, which is great. Cloud Sync means your notes are available on your phone, tablet, or another computer without any extra setup. Once your notebook opens, let's organize it. Add a section, then give it a clear name. And click OK. Sections act like tabbed dividers along the top, so you can split big topics. You can right-click a section tab to change its color or even set a password for privacy, which helps you spot the right tab fast and keep sensitive notes protected. Inside the section, add a page. Click the section you just created to add a new page under it. OneNote uses an infinite canvas, so you can click anywhere and start typing. When you click on the page, you'll see a text container appear. It's a movable box for your content. Type the word to get started, then drag that text container around to place it exactly where you want. You're not limited by margins, which makes it easy to cluster related ideas, park a quick checklist on the side, or drop meeting minutes in the center. Now let's enrich the page. Go to the Insert tab. From here, you can add pictures, attach PDF documents, insert tables to structure information, or even paste links to online videos, so everything you need lives in one spot. This is perfect for keeping reference materials next to your notes, like a PDF agenda beside your action items. Next, click Draw. If you're on a tablet or touchscreen, this is where you can sketch, highlight key points, or handwrite notes with a stylus. Even with a mouse, Draw is handy for circling important parts of a screenshot or underlining a heading to make it stand out. With notebooks for major categories, sections for topics, and pages for details, OneNote stays clean and flexible. That's it. You've created a cloud-synced notebook, organized it with sections and pages, and added text, inserts, and drawings on an infinite canvas. Happy note-taking!